In this session, we are going to discuss about map methods. Yes, map is a very important method that takes two parameters, one a function, another a sequence. The work of map is to provide each value from the sequence to the function for getting the process done or whatever traversing we have written inside the function. So let's get started with our VS Code and check practically how map actually works. So I'm in your VS Code now and I'm going to create a file first, that is map.py. So here we go. Now the task is first to understand what is the syntax. Okay, so the syntax goes like this: map bracket, and here you have to mention the function. What is the function? And along with the function, what are the numbers, sequences, whatever you are providing a sequence, you can say. Okay, so let's get started with this. First, what I'm going to do is I'm taking a result and using map method. From the map method, I'm going to create one function. So passing on the function, and also I'm going to have a sequence that is numbers. Fine. Now the task next is to define these two, that is a square function and numbers. So first I'm doing with numbers. Okay, it's a sequence, that is a list. Okay, so I have here 4, 7, 9, 6 and 5, like this. 2 also. Okay, so this number we have defined. Now the task is the function. Okay, so define the function, use def. Where am I doing this? Here. def. So def, and the name of the function is square, which is taking a parameter. Take any variable. And inside here, the task is we want to return n multiplied to n. That's it. And now when we get back to this one, we are going to typecast our answer. List and result. See, what did we do here? Very simple. Concentrate to this part. Map. We have a function and we have a sequence. Okay. Just define the sequence first. This is done. Then define the function. Whatever the process you want to perform, that is what you have done. When both these parameters are passed, after that, the result that we get will be into this one variable, and we are typecasting it to get the answer. Let's try. Here we got the square of each value: 4, 16, 7, 49, 9, 81, 66, 36, 5, 5, 25, 2 to 4, like that. Now task is to implement lambda function inside here, because say we have these two lines, okay, square, return, df. Do we need these keywords? No. This function is being used only one time and we are not going to require this function in future anymore. So what we can do is we can simply have a lambda function instead of the call inside the method. Like this, we can just replace this square with a lambda expression. So lambda expression, what we'll be doing? You can even find out the lambda expression here itself. See, what we write in lambda expression, we write like this lambda. We write a variable, so let it be n, and we tell what is the working of it, okay? Or you can say the logic. So this is n into n. See, df is removed, square is removed, only this n left and n into n left. That's it. Now I'm going to cut this from here and replace my function call. Also, I'm going to remove this too. That's it. And I'm going to produce the same output this time also. Same. So that's the power of your lambda function. Inside filter, inside map, inside reduce anytime you can use.